Good day, I'm Nelson Junior Malyari from BSITS 3A. I'm going to discuss the CSPTB4, which is titled Internet of Things. So, the Internet of Things has emerged as a transformative force connecting devices and enabling seamless communication between them. So, yung interconnected network of smart devices has paved the way for numerous advancements across industries ranging from healthcare to agriculture. At the heart of this revolution lie IoT platforms serving as a foundation for managing, analyzing, and extracting valuable insights from massive volumes of data generated by IoT devices. So, yung factors nito is yung understanding IoT platform. So, yung IoT platforms is nag-act for crucial intermediary, facilitating the integration of diverse devices and applications. These platforms provide a centralized hub for managing data, deploying applications, and ensuring communication between connected devices. So, yung mga key features ng IoT platforms is yung device management, data storage, data visualizations, services integration, augmented reality, and data analytics. So, mali dito is, ang napili ko apat, device management, which is efficiently onboarding, configuring and monitoring IoT devices, and then data processing and analytics, processing and analyzing the vast amounts of data generated by IoT devices to extract meaningful insights. And then security, for implementing robust security measures to safeguard data and devices from potential threats. Connectivity, ensuring seamless communication between devices, often utilizing various communication protocols such as MQTT or CoAP. So, next one is for major platform technologies. So, unahin natin yung Microsoft Azure IoT Hub. So, yung key features is device management by directional communication and support for multiple protocols. And then, use cases, industrial automations, smart cities, and healthcare. And then, for the next one is AWS IoT Core. Na yung key features is yung secure communication, device shadowing, and integration with other AWS services. So, for the use cases, agriculture, energy management, and retail. So, for the third one is Google Cloud IoT Core. So, key features, device registration, telemetry ingestion, and integration with Google Cloud services. So, yung use case nito is transportations, logistics, and environmental monitoring. So, for the fourth one is the IBM Watson IoT platform. So, key features is the real-time data processing, device connectivity, and advanced analytics. So, yung use case is predictive maintenance, supply chain optimizations, and smart buildings. So, for the last one is the Cisco IoT Cloud Connect. So, key features is network connectivity, management, device provisioning, and edge computing support. Then, yung use case is connected vehicles, smart grid, and industrial IoT. So, for the last is the challenges and future trends. So, meron itong apat features. So, yung interoperability, scalability, edge computing integration, and then AI, machine learning integration. So, for the interoperability, so nag-ensure siya ng seamless communication between devices from different manufacturers. So, scalability is nag-handling ng exponential growth of connected devices and data volumes. So, meron pa palang isang features which is yung security concerns. So, sa security concerns is nag-address ng potential vulnerabilities and ensuring robust security measures. Edge computing integration is nagmo-move ng computation closer to the data source for real-time processing and reduce latency. And then for the The last one is the AI and machine learning integration, which is nag-leverage ng advanced analytics for predictive maintenance, anomaly detection, and more. So, that's it for the Internet of Things, the CSPT-B4. Thank you.